One time. That's all I need. One time. Oh! Oh yeah? I'm ready with foot brake, but I feel like I don't know when I'm gonna press it. Like I feel like when I really need it, I'm gonna fail to use it again. Alright guys, day 14, sunny day, but pretty windy, no lie. Still gonna do my wheelies. Wow, that feels so comfortable now. It doesn't even feel like... I've gotten so comfortable with my bike now, like if I want to I could pop a first gear wheelie right here with ease, and like I could finally like feel comfortable to like just inch myself up a little bit. Still not balance point, but it's something. Oh, planted my foot. That almost messed me up. Am I a little nervous? Hell yeah. I'm supposed to be doing a standstill. Oh! Not yet. I don't know, something about standstills just like throws me off to where I get scared. I really can't figure out why. Maybe it's the looping. Not enough gas. Well, it was enough gas, I just didn't. Not enough gas. Damn, why do I keep... Gas. That one was good. I was trying to inch my way up a little bit. Didn't work. It didn't work. Did not work. Oh, getting it up feels so good. It feels so like second nature now. But it's that PTSD from looping, man. I don't want a part 2. Are you coming in here? Are you gonna use it now?
Yeah, we use it for practice.
Okay, I'll leave.
We got competition, so we gotta practice. We use the spot. They have a competition every year.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good. Just practicing. Huh?
Videotape stuff?
Yeah, just practicing and all that. I'm gonna get my bag and then I'll go. Alright, gotta switch locations real quick. Thankfully, got another spot. And we made it! A lot smaller, but you work with what you got, you know? I should use this like straight away. Oh, I did not realize this was that dirty right here. Hope my tires don't get popped or something. I think I got it. Like, I know what I'm doing. I'm letting off too much throttle. I mean, that's obvious, but like, what I mean by that is like, I feel it, and I just need to, yeah. That was good. I don't know if you can hear the power and how I try to force it back up, but I tried to get it back up. I really couldn't. Alright, let's see. I want to get foot brake this time too. I'm bringing it up real slow, which is really good. I feel it. Like, this is like the best I've done so far. Not enough. I just wonder, like, I feel like I just need a full commit. I'm just wondering, like, if I don't let off gas, right, and I just continue my way up, is the RPMs gonna drop back down to what I hope it would? So like, for example, if I rev up to like, I don't have to rev up, I could just do like one solid tug and done and then bring it up. But if I rev up to like 7,000 RPMs, right, and then I dump the clutch and then I let off gas a little bit and then go back, after the initial rev, is it gonna drop down to like 4, or is it gonna stay up there because I'm holding gas? Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's what I'm trying to figure out. If I can know like it's gonna drop, then I'll commit, but I really can't tell. Obviously the only way I'll be able to know is if I just do it and be ready with foot brake, or if somebody that's been through the same situation, or otherwise, or in other words I should say, and an experienced rider, then it would be much better for me to know, like, okay, if somebody was like, oh yeah, it just dropped back down, you're good, just hold it, then I would be like, oh, okay, bet, let me just try it then. Ah, I messed it up that time. I messed it up. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do it like that. Oh, it's perfect. I'm doing it. Just commit, 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 commit. Just hold it. Hold it one time. That's all you gotta do. If you loop, foot brake. Do it one time. That's all you gotta do. Once you build that feeling, you're good. One time. One time. One time. One time. It's subconscious. Oh, that was balance point. Oh yeah, that was balance point, bro. I swear, I just floated for a second. That was literally the weightless feeling of balance point. Zero throttle, zero foot brake. I was literally just coasting. Literally just coasting. Wow. Yo, that was me committing. Amazing, man. Amazing. Amazing. I was so ready to use foot brake too, but because I felt that floating feeling, I didn't touch it. And what made me come down was the bump in the floor. It did like a little drop, so it brought me back down. I didn't forcefully come back down. I could have rolled that out. Yeah, I'm getting better at it. I'm literally holding it. You can tell it's very minuscule of a of a change in my pattern, but I am changing the patterns and I can notice it. Ah, that one was iffy. This dent, this little thing I put on my rim from the day 11. Let me see if I can show you guys. I was trying to fix it, or not. I haven't tried to fix it yet. I was going to try to fix it with like a hair blow dryer, or just a blow dryer. Whatever. I don't even know why I said hair blow dryer, but I was gonna take a blow dryer and then a lighter and kind of like heat up the metal and take a like a rubber hammer and then like mallet it or like hammer it back a little bit. I haven't got to it yet to even attempt to see if I could do that, but I feel like it would at least be better than leaving it like this, where it could potentially develop a leak and then, or I should sorry, get worse and then develop a leak. All right, yes, you get it. Ooh, that was pretty good. Oh, come on, you got it. 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 Oh, I'm not even scared anymore. It's more so just like I just want the goal now. Like I don't want it later. I want it now. That's it. The initial throttle I give to pick it up, I need to give it so much to the point where I'm instantly just in balance point. That's what I need. That right now is what my goal is. I wonder if I should like. I'm comfortable popping it at a certain point, so I wonder if I should like pop it to that certain point, and then I lost train of thought. Never mind. Forget it. I don't think I gave it enough gas that time because I let out really lightly that time. Starting to stress. Let me try one more right here. If I can't get it, then I'm gonna take a little break, and then I'll come back later and keep recording. Oh! Stop letting go, man. Stop letting go. You got it. Stop letting go. Oh, that was it. That was it. I did it. I did it a little bit. I let out completely, I believe, and then I managed to like ride it up again, which is good. That's kind of what I want. I'm trying to get to that in motion so that I can inch my way up at really slow speeds to hit balance point. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna call it right here, guys. Go home, take a break, and then I'll come back out. Alright, well, I came back. I had like zero energy. I've actually been here since like, what time is it? It's 6 o'clock now. I've been here since like 4. But for like an hour straight. I was like super tired, didn't want to do anything, so I kind of just chilled on my phone instead of going home. Cause I was like, maybe if I get energy back, then I'll want to ride. Woo! That was balance. That was balance point. Floated for a second. Don't know if I used my foot brake. Uh, if I do a rolling wheelie, I kind of need to like. Get to height immediately, versus like stand still. I could just like pop it up so fast, but I don't know. Oh, I chopped that one. Alright. Ooh, I rode that one out. It was alright. If I could control my swaying at slow speeds, I'll be good. But I didn't want to keep going up as I was like leaning off to the side. Oh. Ah. It seems like right now all I could do is chase it out. Oh, I couldn't see. Now that the camera's on me, I'm fucking up. Come closer.
See you in here all the time, son.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, do something.
Do something. I'm still learning, but I got you. Ooh, that was choppy. That was bad. I don't like that one at all. There's my proof, guys. Oh, I can't do it chased out. Alright, back to scheduled program. Oh, that was it. That was it, bro. Oh, the wind is pushing me, bro. I don't know if I look like you can see it. I kind of shifted to the left. That was literally the wind. Damn.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna pause the video right here real quick because I just want to share like what my thoughts were before, during, and after looping. And you know, I want to be able to just like evaluate as like maybe a learning lesson, not only for me but for like one of you guys that are new to wheeling. Alright, so real quick, I just want to give myself props for hitting 12 o'clock immediately off the clutch up, because that's supposed to be the goal when you're learning to wheelie. It should never be to chase out a wheelie. It should always be straight to 12 o'clock to learn throttle control and to practice using foot brake. Now, I know someone might say or ask, why did I give it throttle? I gave it throttle because the bike was coming down and I wanted to bring it right back up to 12 o'clock. And that's what I did. I did it perfectly, maybe a little bit too much gas, but then again, the throttle is very, very twitchy for the double R. As far as using the brake, I actually did intend to use the brake. Like, you can actually see me using the brake, but the only thing is I used the wrong brake. Now, don't ask me how, because I really don't know how. My brain was in like 10 different like talking phases at that very moment. Like one moment I'm thinking to myself, am I going to loop again? The next minute I'm thinking to myself, blip the throttle to go back to 12. The next minute I'm thinking to myself, press the foot brake so that you kind of bring it back down and get ready to use the throttle again. The next minute I'm thinking to myself, is this going to be a part 2 of what just happened 2 days ago? Like, my brain was literally all over the place. But it goes to show that I did intend to use the brake, but I used the wrong one because my brain was all over the place in that very moment, because being at said height was like a new feeling, a new experience for me at that very given moment. That's pretty much it. I don't want to ramble forever, but I'll show you guys the damages very soon.
Oh, I need that. Oh, oof. Oh. Seems pretty good. Oh, let me inspect damage. Alright. Looks pretty fine. The plug took most of the damage. That's good. Shit happens. Start up for me, baby. Start up for me. Come on, show the people that you're indestructible. Honda, come on. Okay. Don't do that. Indestructible. Oh.